Lodge Hotel. Walking tour sa city center. We are going to start now our day with city tour dito sa Armenia. And then pupunta daw muna kami sa Freedom Square. And then we will go from there to the other destination. After the city tour, we will go to Mother of Armenia, which is a little bit farther from here. Medyo malamig na yun. Ayan, full gear na naman tayo. Ayan, full gear. Talagang ang galing ng ano. Tama-tama yung pagkakabili ko dito sa mask na ito. Kasi meron din siyang pang ganyan. So you can take it easily, take it off easily para sa mga photos. At pag lamig na you can take to cover your face. Ganyan. Okay. Walk muna kami with my kasama. Bye! See you later in the Freedom Square. Oh, ingat! Ay! I thought they are behind me. Okay. Nakatara. O, diba? At least di ako lalamigin yung mukha ko.
Pulang-pula. This place. Ano to tayo? Anong place?
Freedom Square. Republic Square.
Public Square. So, look at the Public Square.
Nice.
Why is it called Public Square? Because it's a square?
Because it's a square daw. That's why it's called Republic Square. Diba? Malamig. This is Republic and Freedom Square.
Republic and Freedom Square?
Yes.
They also have in publicity.
Oo, they have. Dito,
Sabi niya, every place there is a public square.
yeah, for everybody, no?
Are preparing for 2024 Christmas.
Pwede rin dito.
This is Parliament Building.
Ah, Parliament Building. This one is Parliament Building. Bye, Freedom Square, Republic and Freedom Square. Punta naman kami sa next destination namin. Pero yung mukha ko namamanhid na. So I have to cover it up again. Lakad-lakad uli kami. Maganda siyang tambayan dito. Pero I don't think maraming tatambay ng matagal kasi malamig. So we're still walking. It's -2 today. So continue kami. Pupunta kami uli sa another destination dito sa city.